probably the best breakfast in the world, isn't it? This is a shakshuka, loads of ways of making it. The way I've made it today is obviously with eggs. Some people scramble their eggs into the tomato. I've put mine in whole. I've got chili and I've got feta on my one. You can really play around with this. It's a classic, it's beautiful, it's tasty, and it doesn't take that long. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so you can see here, I've got about 3 cups here of tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato if you can. Cut nice and small. 2 cups of onion, again, cut small. Tablespoon of garlic, that might just be a little bit over actually. Teaspoon of salt and pepper and chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Let's get started. So in my pan there, I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use a different oil if you want, of course. About 3 tablespoons. We're going to start off by dropping in our 2 cups of onion and our garlic. We are on slightly below medium heat. We're going to go for about 4 minutes or so. Stir often. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to grab our tomatoes, like 3 cups of tomato, fresh tomato. Get that in. And then let's just take a look at these again. So a teaspoon each salt, pepper, chili, 2 of cumin. And stay on this kind of, gentle heat. We're not going crazy here. We want to go for about 7 or 8 minutes now. We really need to cook these tomatoes right down. You might get a bit of moisture from them as well if you use the nice juicy one. Stir often. Really fabulous. You can see we've really cooked these down now. Now we're going to get the heat onto a simmer, really low. Now just flatten this out. And then we're going to drop in some eggs. I'm going to use 4 eggs. And I like to add a little bit of feta cheese, 4 pieces, to equal the eggs. Then we're going to get a lid on this, and then you can just cook it how you like your eggs. I mean, I like mine fairly well done, so lid on, really nice and low. I'm going to go for maybe about 4 or 5 minutes. Job done, it's beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off and have a look. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? Let me get rid of this lid. That looks absolutely wonderful. Like I say, you can get your eggs done a little bit more or less. That's up to you. I'm happy. Now I've just topped mine off with a little bit of sweet paprika there, and you can see some fresh chili. This is quite a spicy household, so we like that in there. If you want, maybe just omit that and put a little bit of parsley or cilantro or coriander on the top. That's up to you, but that is a lovely, beautiful breakfast. Pop that in the middle of the table, get some bread, some nice kubus or something, tuck in. Fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.